So, as we all know, the holidays are up on us, and there are a few things that you can do to make sure that you don't overspend during this beautiful time of the year. We both know that a budget will always keep you on track. Yes, I said a budget. You know how I am about my budgets. They will always keep you on track, but there are some other things that you can do to make sure that you keep some money in your pocket. So, keep on watching here at the Financial Spotlight so I can share those 5 things with you and also get into 10 free things that you can do to make sure that you have a wonderful holiday season. Hey there, and thanks for joining me here at the Financial Spotlight. I'm Chantrell, and I'm here to give you financial tips and tricks that are going to help you on your road to know your money. So today I want to bring you those 5 different things that you can do to make sure that you're sticking to your budget and saving that money. And then I'm going to give you 10 free things that you can do to increase or improve your holiday season. So let's get started. So our first thing is going to be to make a plan and make sure that you write it down. So this is the time of year that falls every single year. And so I'm going to actually look at Christmas. Christmas falls on the same day every single year. So that means that you're not surprised at all about what's coming up, right? Therefore, it's very easy for you to plan ahead for it. So what you need to do is make a list. Write down all of the gifts that you want to purchase for, or all the people that you want to buy gifts for, even if it's a small gift or whatever you're going to get from a card. Write that down. Write down everyone that you want to buy a gift for. Next, you're going to make a maximum amount that you're going to pay for each person. So say your mom, you want to buy her a gift that's $50, but your sister, you might want to buy her a gift that's $25. You're going to specify how much you're going to spend on each person, and you're not going to go over that budget. What I like to do is, of course, you know me, I'm a paper person, and I like to write everything down in a journal, and I keep track of it. And as I spend and as I purchase, I keep my receipts. I make sure I do not go over the amount that I spent on that person, and then I check it off as I go. But you might want to open up an Excel spreadsheet, a Google Doc, whatever it is that you want to do to make that list. But it's important that you have a list so that you are sticking to your plan. The second thing you're going to do is cut out extra spending. So I know that it is late in the year, and I also know that everyone has not saved up for Christmas, and that's totally okay. And since we are all already nearing the holiday season, then it's a little hard to go back in time and to save that money, right? So to get away from overspending, what you need to do is cut back on paying unnecessary items. So you want to reduce your visits to the restaurants. You want to stop going to the nail shop. Maybe not. Depends on how you feel. There's a lot of sacrifice that goes into making sure that you save money, and you're saving money for this season, because the worst thing is waking up on the day after Christmas and finding out that your credit card bill or whatever is maxed out. You're over your limit and you're having buyer's remorse. So say goodbye to your weekly coffee runs or cut back on your personal spending so that you can keep those extras for the holiday season. Third, you might want to volunteer your time and your talent. So if you have a talent like singing or organizing or wrapping gifts or anything like that, you want to donate your time and talent to your friends and your family as a special gift from you to them. If you are a singer, maybe you want to record something for them on a disc and then wrap that up and give it to them. That is a free gift. Or if you have your own business and you provide a service, like I'm a tax preparer, maybe I want to gift a tax preparation to someone as a Christmas gift. If you're a massage therapist, or if you have any other skills, or if you're a makeup artist, maybe you want to gift that to one of your friends and family as a gift. And that way you're not spending any money, you're just spending your time and your talent. I guarantee that it will be worth so much more to them than another blender or another book, and then you can keep money in your pocket. Next, maybe you can organize a secret Santa exchange. So, or a white elephant gift type of situation. So, when I have had parties at my job, or maybe family parties if it's a large family, what we would do is put everybody's name into a fishbowl, and then everybody would pick one person's name out of it, and then from there, that is who you would purchase your gift for. So usually when you do this, you are putting everything, like if it's your family, you're putting everything together like around Thanksgiving, and you say, okay, so today we're going to put all our names in this bowl. We're going to pick it. Once we pick the names out of the bowl, then we're going to decide who gets who. Okay, you can either keep it a secret or you guys can tell everybody. But anyway, once you get all of the names out of the bowl, then you have this entire month. If you're celebrating Christmas, you have an entire month to purchase the item for that person. Sometimes what we would do is also have a price limit. So say you have 10 people and everybody's participating in it, then that means that each person can only spend a maximum of $25, maybe $50 on their person, and they're not overspending. Of course, a lot of people are going to say, well, what about the children, or what about that? That's different. You can go ahead and buy gifts, special gifts and stuff for the children, but as far as adults and family members and stuff like that, it's good to have a secret Santa. And then what you can do is do a DIY as possible. That's the fifth thing. DIY what you can. So maybe you want to write a poem for a family member, do a painting, maybe do like a paint night where you guys all together paint and then give the gifts to each other. There's so many different things that you can do. Put a personal touch for people, and then they'll have it in their office or wherever for many, many years to come. So that could help you. The other thing that I wanted to talk about are the 10 different free things that you can do with your family this year to celebrate the season. Now, we know that a lot of times right now it's hard for us to get with people. Some people might not want to meet in person. That is why you might want to make some different changes to how you and your family celebrate. So the first thing I would think about is you and your family mailing a thank you or a Christmas letter or card to a soldier. You can use a site like Operation Give Back to find out how to send those letters. The second thing is having a Christmas movie night. Maybe make some popcorn and some nachos or something at home and enjoy movies with your family. Introduce your children to movies that you used to like in your childhood. Make homemade ornaments. Now, this can be very fun. And it can be free. You can go in your backyard and get pine cones, or you can get leaves, or you can get any of those type of things, toilet paper rolls, or even old ornaments, and take those and put some paint on them, put some watercolors, some markers, any of those type of things, add glitter, and make your own ornaments. You can get ornament hooks at the like dollar store for $1, and then you can make your own ornaments. And that's fun when you have little children and you guys want to try to save some money. The next thing you can do is make paper snowflakes. I know that's kind of corny, kind of cheesy, but sometimes it's fun for children. If they can take a piece of paper, cut it up, and have all types of stuff all over the floor, and then you guys pick it up later, and then you put them on the wall and display them. It's fun. It's as decorations for the household. The next thing you can do is make Christmas cards for your family members. We used to do that in school. We used to have cardstock, or we used to have, well, it was called construction paper back then. It still is, but we used to have construction paper, glitter, glue, all the stuff. And then we would sit there and make cards for our family members instead of going to the store and buying them. Or you can do an ugly Christmas decoration scavenger hunt. So what I mean by that is as you drive around your neighborhoods, some people, and I'm not trying to be mean, but some people put up Christmas decorations that are not too cute. There's a lot, kind of gaudy, a lot of stuff going on, maybe too many lights or maybe not enough or whatever the case may be. But that's between them. That's something that they like. But in your family, you guys might think that that's horrible. So you guys can drive around and look and say, oh, this one's the ugliest, or this one's the ugliest. Or you can say this one's the nicest. You can go and look. It's called a ugly Christmas decoration scavenger hunt. The next thing you can do is bake cookies. That is the easiest thing of all to do, because you can get a cookie thing roll from the store for like $2 or so, and then you guys can bake cookies, and then you can get some decorations from the store and put sprinkles on it, like the icing and everything, and make it the cookies that your family want to have. The next thing you can do, like I was talking about, some people do not want to meet in person. You can host a Zoom caroling party. So what that would look like is you put up a Zoom. You send it all to your family members and friends. The people that want to attend, you guys are on there, and you can be deciding on what kind of Christmas songs you guys want to sing, or holiday songs you guys want to sing together. And then you're just on there singing. And the reason I got this idea is because my son was in a choir online over the internet, and during all the time when we couldn't go to school in person, and they actually sang songs over the Zoom. So I thought that was really cool. And if you can do that with your family and do like a caroling, or you can do karaoke night over that as well. You can also play virtual board games or virtual games. You don't only have to keep it at the caroling. The ninth thing is to make ugly Christmas sweaters or t-shirts. So last year, I didn't have a lot of resources to be able to purchase sweaters, or I couldn't find the right sweaters for my family the way I wanted to. I wanted to do like ugly Christmas sweaters, but I wanted the sweaters to be red or whatever, a special color. I didn't have it. I didn't have the time. I couldn't find them. So what I did was I substituted t-shirts for sweatshirts. So we went and got red t-shirts, and then we decorated them like the ugly Christmas sweater. So we did like glitter, and we had the garland, and we had the pom-poms, and we had all the stuff. And then I posted it up on my Instagram, and I wanted people to vote and see which one they thought was the best, and then which one won, that person got a special prize, that gift card that we got from the store for that person. And then the 10th thing is to have a game night. Now, I already mentioned games virtually on Zoom, but it's also fun to have games with your family in person, playing board games. We like Monopoly or Live. Monopoly goes on forever, so we have this other Monopoly game that's really cool, that's kind of fast. We play Uno. So those are things that you can do with your family that are free and that can bring you guys close together during the holidays. So there you have it. 5 ways to spend less at Christmas time and not go into debt, and 10 different free things that you and your family can do to enjoy the holiday season. And give yourself permission to make changes to your holiday season, so that when you wake up on December 26th, you do not have any extra debt and you don't have any extra guilt. I promise you, you won't regret it. I hope that this has helped you. Make sure that you share it with your friends and family. Of course, we want you to be a part of the Financial Spotlight family. Go ahead and hit subscribe and click on that bell so that you know exactly when I'm going to post here every single week at the Financial Spotlight. Thanks for joining me and have a great one. Bye.